What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of this Utopia gusset pillow. In this review, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this pillow, including one thing you should know before buying. So I got this pillow for one simple reason. I've actually been comparing a lot of pillows, and I'm comparing it to that, which is old, stitching's ripping up, yellow, gross, whatever. Those are our old pillows, right? And it's time for a new pillow. Now, I do want to say, we have a king-size bed. This looks like it's too big. Looks like it wouldn't fit a pillowcase. It does fine. I just took it out of the pillowcase because I wanted you to actually see the pillow really quick. So a few things about this. First off, what is a gusset? I didn't even know what a gusset was, right? This is a gusset, this little thing right here. So basically what a gusset is it makes it so that the pillow has a little bit more firmness than other pillows and a little bit more support than other pillows. It basically just gives the pillow a little bit more structure as opposed to one that's just kind of, floppy and everything like that. It gives it a little bit more firmness and a little bit more structure to it, right? And this one is exactly what that is, and it is very comfortable. And I do want to mention that it comes in a set of two. I'm just showing you the one because it really doesn't make sense to show you two of them. So we like this so far overall. We think that it is very, very comfortable. The firmness for this, I would say, and I have been testing. I can show you, well, I can't turn it around, but I have a lot of different pillows. You can see just two here. I've been testing a lot of different pillows lately, and we like this one a lot. I would say that it's more firm, more on the firm side than most others. I tend to like one that is more soft. I like them when they're closer to the mattress and just a little bit more soft. My wife likes the ones that are firm. We've used this one and the other one that comes with it for a few different nights, and we both like it so far. Breathability is good. Everything's been good about this pillow overall so far. Now, in terms of the one thing to know about this, so some of the pillows that we got, this one does not have the ability. So this has the gusset, right? It is a gusset pillow, but it doesn't have the ability, there's no zipper or anything, to actually open this up and adjust the microfiber filling on the inside, right? Some of them have that, some don't. My wife and I like that when that's an option, because I'm able to take out some of the filling. She's able to put more of my filling into hers. She likes a firmer pillow. I like a softer pillow. This has been one that's been a good in-between for both of us. I think that overall it does a good job in supporting a lot of different sleepers, which is probably where it's trying to find their middle ground. So it does a really good job with that overall. But I do think it's important to note that, hey, there is no zipper here, right? So you're kind of stuck with what you get. But if you check out the reviews and everything, I mean, it's a good pillow, right? It's well constructed, it's comfortable. So yeah, if you're considering it, we definitely enjoy it ourselves and hope that you like it as much as we do.